Hey everyone, tonight I'm going to be making tuna salad. It's really late, but my daughter's hungry again. She has my appetite. So this is the tuna that I'm going to be using. It's the Wild Planet albacore wild tuna. I really like this brand a lot. I get this at Costco, and prior to opening it, I suggest rinsing the lid because it's been like in the warehouse, it's dusty, so when you open it, like all of that can get into the tuna, so you don't want that. So I always rinse it, and then I drain the juice and I give it to my cats because they are going crazy when I open this. Okay, so for this recipe, we're gonna need mayonnaise. I like Best Foods mayonnaise, sweet relish, a pinch of the yellow mustard. I have 2 tomatoes and I take out the fleshy part and I just dice them up. 3, what do you call them? The garlic, not garlic, the celery stalks. 3 garlic, celery stalks. A handful of cilantro chopped and some pepper and some red onion. So first I'm gonna go ahead and add in the tuna to our bowl. Still has a little bit of juice. I like to get rid of as much juice as I can, but there's just a tiny bit that got in here, and then like once I add everything, it'll just like, when I add the vegetables, it'll just like absorb. So we just want to mash this up. So this is like very high in protein, which I like because I feel like everybody, especially me, because I don't eat like red meat, it's hard for me to get enough protein into my diet. So, and I'm not like a huge seafood fan, but I do like tuna salad every once in a while, and my daughter just loves this. So I'm making it. Oh, let me get a spoon. I forgot my spoon. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some mayonnaise. This is probably like a little over a half a cup. So once I make it, I'll determine if I need any more. So I'm just gonna mix it up like so. Seems like a lot right now, but it's really not, because once I add the vegetables, it'll absorb the mayonnaise. This time I add a little bit of black pepper. So mix that in. Next, I'm going to add my celery and my red onion. I love red onion. And my tomato and my cilantro. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this. It's like refreshing because it's so hot where I live. So I haven't really been in the mood for like hot food. So this hits the spot. And then I add some black pepper. I'm going to add a pinch of yellow mustard, just like that. That kind of takes away like the fishiness, which I like to remove as much as I can, even though it is fish. And then a little bit of sweet relish. I love sweet relish. So my daughter is waiting for this as we speak. So you can serve this on a tostada, or like saltine crackers, or like multigrain crackers, whatever you wish. So there it is. I hope you guys give it a try. Take it to your next barbecue. Make it for your kids' lunch. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to go ahead and list all of the ingredients in the description box below. Have a good night. Bye.
Bye.